Welcome back to the BakeDeco channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these personal sized mini Pavlovas. We are first going to get started by separating our egg whites. I like to do it directly in my shell. And you just want to make sure that you don't get any eggshell in your egg whites. And I'm going to separate my egg yolks into this bowl, and I'm going to use it for a different recipe. And we're going to be separating a total of 4 egg whites. The goal is to get our egg whites nice and frothy, and then we're going to begin to slowly add our sugar. Now we're just going to add a pinch of salt, or a 1/4 teaspoon. As you can see, the egg whites are now frothy, and so we're going to start to add our sugar. So let's take a look at the consistency. It's still a bit soft, so we're going to continue to whip it, but now we're going to add in our vanilla extract. Add a different type of So we're gonna check the consistency again, and then we're gonna add a little bit of cornstarch just to make sure that our meringue is gonna be extra stable. We are almost at the perfect stiff peak. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of cornstarch as our last step, and then we'll be ready to make our Pavlovas. Here I have 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle that in. Okay, and we have a beautiful glossy stiff peak, and this is going to be perfect for piping our mini Pavlovas. Now, in order to start piping our mini Pavlovas, all you'll need is a large piping bag and a jumbo star tip. I'm going to be using a jumbo closed French star tip. And we are just going to pipe this as if we were piping a rosette. And then we're gonna bring it all the way up, leaving an open space in the center for our cream. We have our oven preheated to 300 degrees. As soon as we put these in, we're gonna lower the temperature to 250, and we're gonna bake these for about 1 hour and 10 minutes. In order to keep the color as bright as possible, I recommend adding a tray right above your meringue. Our Pavlovas are fully cooled, and they are ready to be decorated. So look how nice and bright this color came out. We're gonna decorate these with some raspberry jelly, which is all available at BakeDeco.com. And if you guys are enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more content. Check out our most recent recipe video to learn how to make this delicious chantilly cream. We hope you enjoyed today's content. Let us know if you're gonna try our recipe in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to the BakeDeco channel for more content like this.